Hello, good evening everyone. Class 8 Mathematics, Chapter Squares and Square Roots. In worksheet 1, I have taken question number 4. Four numbers are given and you have to tell just by observing the ones place of these numbers which of the following numbers can be perfect squares. It may not be a perfect square, but just by observing the unit digit, this is the unit digit or ones place of the first number, this is the ones place, this is the ones place, this is the ones place. So just by observing these ones place numbers, you should answer whether they are perfect squares or not. Now I told you that if the ones place number is either 2 or 3 or 7 or 8, either 2 or 3 or 7 or 8, then the number cannot be a perfect square. So see here, this ones place is 2, so this number can never be a perfect square. And here you see 7 is in the ones place, so this number can never be a perfect square. This cannot be a perfect square, this number cannot be a perfect square. There is a possibility that this number may be a perfect square. We are not sure about this, but it may be. In this number 1024, it may be a perfect square. We don't know, we need to verify it, but just by observing we can tell that these two numbers, they are not perfect squares at all. Now next question, question number 5. How many non-square numbers are there between 7 square and 8 square? Next question, between 10 square and 11 square. Next is 40 square and 41 square, and so on. So here the technique is, the general format is there, between the numbers n square and the next number square, that is n plus 1 whole square, there are always 2n, that is 2 times the first number, 2n non-square numbers. Always between n square and the next number square, n plus 1 whole square, there are always 2n non-square numbers. So in this case 7 square and 8 square, there are always 2 into 7, that is 14 non-square numbers. In this case there are always 2 into 10, that is 20 non-square numbers. And in this problem there are 2 into 40, 2n, so 80 non-square numbers. Done. So that's all for today.